How do I know that this is the right person for me, or how do I find that person? Today is Valentine's Day, and all the youngsters around the world would be getting ready with gifts and cards. A young colleague asking me, Raji, how do I know that this is the right person for me, or how do I find that person? Because we come across a lot of people. It is a very broad topic, and to answer that in the small reel is not possible. But some of the things that I would like to tell you here is, there could be thunders and storms, but thunders and storms in your heart or butterflies in your stomach may or may not be the sign of that this is the right person. But there is a practical aspect to it which I want to talk about today. Now, when you find a life partner, few things that you need to have in your mind is, one, definitely that you should be attracted to each other. That happens, the first thing that happens is that, you should feel that you can stand with this person, or the physical aspect looks like, it is something that you'd be attracted to. That is there. That is the first step. That happens automatically without much effort, I believe. There are other sides to it also. See, when two people get married, it's not just two of them getting married, but it is two families that get married. And many of the youngsters, they don't understand the importance of two families getting married. They think that, okay, I am, head over heels over this person, and you feel like on the ninth cloud. All these vanishes when you actually face the real life. When in real life, two families are not able to come together. So just giving you an example, somebody who is from a very rich background goes and finds somebody who is like down there. What will happen is that initially it would be all lovey-dovey, but when the two families come together and there are conversations, it could bring disturbance between the families as well as their relationship. Second thing is, you could be two different professions. These professions that you follow should also allow you to come together and spend time together. It should not be like, when you come together, you don't find time with each other. So that is also important. Thirdly, you need to see whether the person is somebody who is respecting you or not. In the courtship period, everything is good, and you will only see the right face of that person. You will only see the good side of that person. But in reality, when they are at home, when they are lazy, you should be in a place to accept that also. So many people enter a marriage with a lot of fantasies, but it is not the fact. Now let me tell you one more thing. Many people say that money is not important in love. I must say that money is important. I'm not saying lot of money, but you should also think about how will it be after marriage. How would you, work towards building your family? Financial aspect is very important. I'm not saying that you have to get married to rich people. No, I'm saying you find a life partner, you should have a plan in the beginning itself, whether you both are going to work towards building your family together in the financial aspect or not. Because many of the family issues that I see right now is, when they actually enter a family life, all that lovey-dovey feelings go off, and reality strikes that you need to have money to run the family. So there has to be a proper planning there as well. Are you people in a relationship where these aspects are also taken care of? I have very less time to tell you about it, but maybe I'll do more sessions on this for you to understand this, or you can always get in touch with me when you are planning to find a life partner. What are certain things that you need to go through? You have my, Instagram, Facebook, or whatever account. My phone number is also there. You can get in touch with me. We can talk in detail about it. So thank you so much. Happy Valentine's Day. But I must tell you that this is just not the actual truth. There is a lot of things that you need to consider beyond this. Talk to you soon. Thank you.